Hello there everyone, meet Mandy the mandolin.
She's going to help me in the kitchen today. Yes, she is. My name is Anita. I'm a Dutch-Kiwi and I'm going to make you some spring rolls.
Let the preparations begin.
Got your apron on and your knives ready? Come on.
I will be making 50 spring rolls.
Be really careful when you use one of these because it's sharp as. I do actually have a guard and I will use it. The carrot strips are next, and it's a very sharp knife again, so be very careful. That's how you want them. For my next trick, I will be taking the centre and the seeds out of the paprika and also slicing it into thin slices. And the rest of the seeds I'll shake out. Here we are, one empty paprika or capsicum, whatever you want to call it. Really watch your fingers. Which will go neatly into the spring rolls. And now I've still got the green onion. And then I'll have cut all the ingredients. Here we have the bean sprouts and the spring onion, or the green onion, or whatever you want to call it. Now, these do have little shoots or roots on the end. It's a tedious job, but I am going to take them off. Tedious, but rewarding. Nice and tidy. The red capsicum, the carrots, and the cabbage, all set to go to fill and fold the spring rolls. So I've prepared all the vegetables that are going in and all set to go. The sheets are very thin and quite fragile, and to peel them off the stack, really need to be very careful not to rip them. And I cover this with a damp tea towel, which I forgot to get ready. Right, damp those so that they don't dry out while I'm busy rolling. Okay, I'll start filling. Now I've faced mine, I'm actually going to roll them sort of diamond shape. The first thing I put on is some cabbage. Now, I don't know, I quite like mine filled, reasonably well filled. But you do have to watch the sides because you're going to roll it and otherwise it'll become quite awkward to seal the sides. Right, paprika, carrot, you're yummy. And then I sprinkle a little bit of coriander leaf on it, dried coriander. And with my fingers I wet the edges so that they seal just with cold water. Bring the wrap over, tuck it in, make sure that it's as tightly rolled as you possibly can. Make sure that you put enough water on so that the pastry sticks. And here you have it, a lovely spring roll. Now I have 50 to roll, so I'll be quite an expert by the time I'm done. Change my routine. There you go. Containers in a row. I'll just grab and fill and wet and roll. So bring it over and tuck all your vegetables in. roll gently, fold over, and tighten up and roll. Bit of extra water at the end, and bob's your uncle. So I'll be here a little while. See you soon. Now that was quite a task, but it's okay. I'll do it lovingly because I know they're going to taste really yum. Now I'm just going to leave them on the bench for now. I'll just put them all separate so they don't stick to each other, because I'm going to dry them out a wee bit, and then I'm going to put them in the freezer. Now I don't cook them until they've been frozen, and I'll be cooking them in the air fryer. Yes, I will. So that's for later. So for now, I'm going to have some lunch, and I'll see you part 2. To freeze the rolls in, make sure that you put them apart so they don't touch, so that once they're frozen, you can put them in a bag. So this is a lovely way to have plenty around for when you have an unexpected party. Well, good morning. Yes, it's the next morning. And as you see, I've already got some of these in the container. And you can, I just want to show you, you can store them either in a container like this, or once you've managed to free them off the off the frozen plate, you pop them in a bag, and in the freezer they go. And it's so handy for just a quick snack. So I'll just pop these off the tray as well, and I'll get back to you. So that was my fun day in the kitchen yesterday. It's quite a haul, 50 spring rolls, which are lovely. I mean, if you have a snack for lunch and you have 2 of them with a bit of sweet chili sauce or something, really lovely. Now you can cook them either in oil, fry them in oil, or use your air fryer. Now I don't have a deep fryer, but I do have an air fryer. So yeah, but I'm not going to eat them now. It's breakfast time. So if I get a chance, I might add them to the video later. So for now, I have a freezer full of spring rolls. It's time to give them a very light brush with oil. There we go. Right, in the air fryer they go. Here comes that magic moment again. It's all about the taste. They look good enough to eat, but I am going to wait just a couple of minutes because they'll be so hot. Okay, are you ready to watch me burn my mouth? Well, it's all in the taste. We know that, don't we? And there's only nice ingredients in here, so I'm keen to know what it does taste like. Oh, of course I'm going to say it tastes good. What else do you expect? But it does. And what I do like is that the vegetables are cooked enough, but not mushy. Another dip in the sauce. And here I go again. Don't know if you can hear the crunch when I bite into it. Pastry's perfect. They're not brown like that when they come out of the oil. But let's face it, when you deep fry things, oil also gets into the spring roll, and that hasn't happened at all. So it's just pure vegetables that you're eating with a nice crunchy outside. Oh. If I were to buy these on those food stands, I'd go back for more. Combination of yummy, flavours yummy. Pastries yummy. Worth doing. 12 minutes roughly in the 12 to 13 minutes in the air fryer. That was enough. And they may not be golden brown, but they are somewhat brown. And it's not the brown that you eat, is it? It's what it tastes like. So I'm going to eat this one now. That's my lunch for today. I'm so happy because I've got more in the freezer. Thanks for watching. And I do hope you'll come back and watch more of my videos, whether they're cooking videos or whether they're travel videos. I hope you enjoy my content. Let me know what you think. Bye for now, and see you next time.